This is Montana Mendy from Travis CI, and today we are going to do a cookbook companion video. And today specifically, we're going to do a .Travis YAML beginner's guide on Ruby. So let's get started. In this case, I'm using Vim, but you can have any IDE obviously you want. So let's get started. First, you want to pick your language in your YAML file. We said we wanted to do Ruby, so let's do Ruby. Distribution. What distribution are you going to use? Let's use Focal. Now, let's use a script hook. Let's have it say something like, it's built. And let's leave a note for ourselves so we know what this is. Okay, that looks pretty good. So since I'm in Vim, we're going to do WQ, which is write quit. All right. Now let's push to GitHub. First, let's do git init. Let's do git add. And we want to do our first commit, so we can do first Travis commit. Now we're going to add the origin. Already have this copied. There we go. In this case, I've already pushed, but for example, the remote V, and there you have it. And I would highly recommend doing this all the time to make sure where it's going when you push. All right, let's push finally. I'm going to be using the force tag. Okay, there we go. Let's clear that out. Let's refresh on GitHub, and let's go to the branch on GitHub. Let's see how that's doing. So as you'll see, it is booting provisionally. Let's view the config to make sure it's the one that we made in Vim. Yep, certainly looks like it. There's that little note we left ourselves. Don't forget to lint. Language Ruby, we're going to be using the distribution Focal, and a little script that just says it's built. Currently Travis is provisionally booting. You'll see build language Ruby, dist Focal. You have a build ID, kernel, about anything you want, any information you need is available. You can also make him more verbose via the verbose tag. We'll get into that in later videos. All right, and as you'll see, my little script worked. It's built, and there you have it. We have just built on Travis using the language Ruby, and there'll be more to come. This is just episode 1. Glad you watched. Thank you.